My name is Fanuel. I wanted to share with you a new publication alert. In case you missed it, it came out in the Journal of Science Communication. The paper is titled Science Festival May Not Mean What We Think It Means, an analysis of how researchers and practitioners use this term, published by J. Ross Ramsey and Todd Ba-Yet. So it really takes a field assessment of the word Science Festival, looking at both websites and published literature. And I think it's a really wonderful way to think deeply about this term because it is actually quite diverse in terms of how it's used. So they look at the Science Festival websites and so forth, and they do this wonderful review and discussion and ask a lot of important questions that we need to consider. There's one figure I wanted to share with you that I think was really interesting, just to give you a sense of the distribution of the festival duration, for example. If you ask the question, how long are typical science festival? And so you see it here in this graph and all the different colors here, just showcasing the different lengths of festivals that one can find. And just this graph alone, it gives you the appreciation, hopefully, of the diversity of these approaches around the world. And these science festivals take place around the world. And so there's lots for us to dissect, especially when we get into thinking about evaluation and impact assessment. For us in the field, science festivals play a huge role, aspect of the informal STEM learning ecosystem. So understanding that and studying it, I think, is really important. So check out this paper. And I think it's an interesting paper. The question here is, what does it mean? I'd love to get your feedback in terms of what you think of the paper. What are some new questions that one could ask to build on top of it? Okay, enjoy. The link to the paper will be posted below. Stay tuned for more updates.